What is the meaning of golden ticket of homeownership? Hi, I'm Sumashri, the realtor and a real estate broker from San Francisco Bay Area. As a homeowner that has been in the home for a number of years, you may have more equity built up that you are aware of. Your equity can be your golden ticket to your next move. So, what is equity? This means that when over the years you gain equity as you pay down your home loan and the home value rise. In fact, your equity can grow faster than you realize. Most homeowners in United States are sitting on a tremendous amount due to having their mortgage completely paid off or have at least 50% in equity. In fact, according to CoreLogic, the average homeowner with a mortgage has 298,000 built up in equity. So, what can you do with this much equity? For starters, if you are planning a move, once you sell your home, you can use it for a larger down payment on your next home, so you are borrowing less from the bank. In some instances, you may have enough built up to pay all the cash on your next purchase. Having equity in your home can make your move possible when affordability is tight. Also, the more equity that you have, you can use that equity to buy down your interest rate and have a much more affordable payment. So, there are plenty of options that you may not be aware of. Please reach out to my team and me so that we can give you a home valuation on your property's value. This way you can see how much equity you may have and also the current market statistics in your area. Once again, this is Sumashri, the realtor and real estate broker with the tradition of excellence and integrity. And when you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching and have a great day.